Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Coinbase 2FA and Authenticator setup step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Coinbase website. Log into your Coinbase account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the page. Click on your profile icon or the menu icon. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, locate and click on the Security tab. Find the section labeled Two-Step Verification. Click the button to enable two-step verification. You will see a prompt to choose your method of authentication. Select Use an Authenticator app. Download and install a trusted Authenticator app if you don't have. Popular options include Google Authenticator, Authy, or Microsoft Authenticator. Once installed, open your Authenticator app. Return to the Coinbase website, where you will see a QR code. Use your Authenticator app to scan the QR code. After scanning, the app will generate a 6-digit verification code. Enter the verification code into the designated field on Coinbase. Click the button to confirm your 2FA setup. You may also be prompted to set up backup codes for account recovery. Make sure to download and securely store these backup codes. Once completed, your Coinbase account will now have an added layer of security. Remember to perform regular checks to ensure your 2FA is still functioning correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.